Macam tu. Gerin. Gerin. Tak nak. Sama-sama makan. Banyak tu. Astagfirullah. Lupa diri ni kali ni. Yang lupa diri. Kau tu pendatang.
Just like before, we're going to cover it up. Turn it over.
Oh no.
And again, where's the air pressure?
Upwards.
Pushing upwards in all directions, but pushing upwards to hold the liquid in, right?
Yes.
And if I take this off, what should happen?
Pushing up the water.
Should come out, but
That's not fair.
Witchcraft. What is this?
Hello.
John, no, Gabby move, Gabby move, Jonathan move.
okay, sit down.
So the air pressure is still
So
going up.
there is still a significant amount of air
I
pressure.
don't like this.
More
That's
air
so
pressure
weird.
than gravity.
That's like when you Is it gonna eventually rise, or is it gonna stay like witchcraft?
But there is a small trick here.
Wait, is there still
It's
there
the
water
metal on the
pressure?
outside.
For those of you who haven't seen it yet,
Well, wait, can you first? Yeah, okay.
move for a second.
Ben, he's taking a.
Oh.
That's not a. And why does it do